questions. Questions are given. You have to write that assignment or type it and submit it. Done?
Ma'am, one query.
Please.
Ma'am, I'm not sure whether we have passed that shloka. I mean, because we are in already 2:35, right? So there will be one shloka that says that, you know, always you should do swadharma is more important than doing the paradharma, right? So I don't exactly remember the verses, but I mean, in when I have to apply this to the real life, at least, you know, specific to my career, right? My career, or, you know, my team members' career. We are always in the corporate management system. We are told that if you expect the growth, you'll have to do that extra mile, and you'll have to understand the next level. Apart from doing your duty, you should understand the next level's duty and also to do that. Then only you will see your career growth. So that's where I always have that conflict here. What is my swadharma and what is my paradharma? Where, you know, yeah, please go ahead.
So here we are defining dharma in coming to the field of corporate world, right? So corporate world complete structure is designed in one way, like where you owe more responsibility, your growth will be more. This is the basic principle. So we are all aware of the principle. So there is no confusion. We have to believe, like, you know, apart from my work, I need to take more responsibility so that my growth will be there. And coming to the family system, coming to the social system, then comes the swadharma and paradharma may differ. So kindly understand, as a person, your swadharma, paradharma is not applicable every part of your life. That's why we have divided goals into different types. And we did not cross that sloka. We will cover that sloka.
Okay.
But it will covered under art of parenting.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So that's why, like, you know, as a parent and everything, that's why goals are different, roles are different, duties are different. That's why when we are able to differentiate them, each role has different duties. In the same way, you can differentiate, like, you know, my duties are different at each level. And as a corporate, you know, the principles, the basic principles are, if you work more, you will get more fame, you will be promoted, you will get appraisal, then basing on that, you will take up more responsibility. In the
at
family,
the same time, if I
yeah,
maybe in the family also, if I have to apply that, you know, as long as my father is alive, if I'm not doing or if I'm not learning those things, I'll be in a, you know, a confused situation when he's no more.
exactly.
Right? No? So that's where, you know, that if I don't learn when he's alive, when he's not there, and if I'm getting into his shoes when he's not there, it will be all, you know, I'll be in a messed up situation.
That's why, like, you know, even as Sanatana Dharma, as a son, you have to perform your duty by assisting your dad. You are not taking the power of dad, but you are taking the work of dad. Right? There is a small difference. But what we assume that is, like, you know, taking the duties of dad means taking the power as well. No, power is in their hands, but you are assisting them in performing the task so that we will be well versed with the task, how to perform and lead our life further.
Yes.
So we will be trained well.
Yeah. Very nicely explained, ma'am.
Got it, ma'am.
Done. Done. Thank you. So shall we wind up?
Yeah.
With Shanti Mantram. Sarvesham swastirбhavatu. Sarvesham santirbhavatu. Sarvesham mangalam bhavatu. Loka samasta sukino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful Sunday. Once again, wish you all a very happy new year. See you next week.
Thank you, madam. Same to you,
Thank
madam.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, madam, for wishing us.
Thank you, sir.